He is beautiful.
Not too much up, you know. Dirty old tusks and Diggy.
But he pulls the grasses out, and then he kind of spots them in the water. Is he kind of cleaning
Taking the dirt.
Yeah, it's just cleaning the grass to get
the dirt out?
the dirt out, and also, so like I said, he's got 60 sets of teeth. So as he grow up, he loosens some of the teeth. Then once he's loosened some of those, he can't chew hard stuff anymore. So he just needs the soft stuff, taking the hard stuff out.
How old do you think he is?
So he looks 50s.
He's as old as we are.
What is that in dog years?
Well, divided by, multiplied by 7.
He looks like, I don't know if he's got white eyelashes or something brown in his eyelashes. He's white.
Maybe it's just the whites of his
They
eyes.
are. He's got white eyelashes. He is a
He's
boy.
in his 50s,
He is a boy.
and he probably doesn't have access to mascara.